So let's give the reviews to this perfect looking pizza by tasting this one. The best pizza of my life. I give it thumbs up. Friends, we are with the owner of Lapino Pizza, Mr. Gaurav Bansal at Sector 15 outlet Faridabad. And the reviews that we have got about this Lapino pizzas are great. Let's talk to him how he feels about Lapino.
Yeah, it's great. I've been associated with Lapinos for the last 2 years, and it's been a great journey. And the brand itself is doing good across India.
Okay.
I'll give you a history about this brand. So it's been more than 10 years now that it is there in the market.
Okay.
And at the moment, at present in India, they have more than 150 outlets across
150 outlets.
India. Across India.
That's great.
I'm very proud to be associated with Lapinos, and I was the first one to bring Lapinos to Faridabad market.
Okay.
And now we have 2 outlets. This is one, Sector 15, and there is another N95 outlet.
Okay.
And brand has great aspirations to expand in the future.
Okay.
And the good thing about it is people are liking the taste.
That's great. We do love Lapino. Thanks for coming to Delicious Foods.
Thanks.